Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add elasticated pocket to the back cover of your quiet book. You will need prepared page or the cover, fabric for the pocket, threads, elastic. I recommend you to use wide one, very tight elastic, so the pocket will be flat at the top and it will not be loose like so. For example, here I have this one is tight, this one is tight, and this one is actually not very good even when it's, see, it's transparent, and I didn't like it at all. So wide and tight elastic. Ruler for the ironing, sewing machine, and safe pin. So this is the fabric for the pocket, this is the page. My page is 8 inches wide or 20.5 centimeters. For the pocket I will add half of the width, so it will be A plus half of A. In my case it will be 20.5 plus 10, 30.5 centimeters or 12 inches. For the height of the fabric, find out how tall you'd like your pocket to be. I want 16 centimeters. I'll do my measurements in millimeters, so it's 160 millimeters or approximately 6.5 inches. I'm going to use 1.5 inch elastic or 38 millimeters. 38 plus. And to create a casing for the elastic, you need to add 4 to 5 millimeters extra, so the casing will not be tight for this particular elastic. So I will add 4 millimeters. This is extra. Plus 10 millimeters for the hem. I will need those two numbers to create a casing for the elastic. So after my casing is created, I will measure the pocket and I will trim off the extra centimeters. So I will cut a piece of fabric that is 22 centimeters wide and 30.5 centimeters long. Now, using the ironing ruler, fold fabric 1 centimeter like so. This is the number in our calculation. Now I need to fold and press using this number. In my case it's 42 millimeters. So again I'm going to use the ruler. Here I have 4 and the red line is for the 4.5. I will make in the between blue and red one, so it will be 42 millimeters. The height of my pocket is 160 millimeters or 16 centimeters, and I will trim off the extra fabric. Now I'm going to change the bobbin. It's not necessary, but I want to show you the rule of gathering. Set your length of your stitch to the maximum. I have only 4 millimeters, and I will stitch on the wrong side of the pocket, along the bottom edge of it. This is the lower thread, this is the upper thread. To gather the fabric, I need to pull the lower thread, the yellow one. But first I need to align edges here. The length of elastic should be 2 centimeters longer than the width of your page. Here you may see that the case for the elastic is wider. See those extra millimeters? So the case won't be too tight. Insert the elastic into the case. Pull the thread to gather the fabric. Spread the fabric evenly. Since I'm going to bind the edges, so I recommend you to not gather the fabric very close to the binding and stitch it down. Use piece of paper like so, the paper will hold all the folds here, or you may use a masking tape. Pull the thread. I recommend you to leave the tape until you bind the pages, but I will peel it off just to show you the result. Trim off the excess of the elastic, and very carefully I will melt the edge of the elastic. So this is the result. For example, for the memory cards. And because the elastic is wide, it holds very well, and see, nothing comes out of the pocket. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.